Hello and welcome viewers. You're watching the special presentation of Sunset TV with your host Kruti Mishra. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla led an Indian parliamentary delegation to the 11th BRICS Parliamentary Forum. Since its creation, the parliamentary group has dedicated itself to promoting cooperation in various areas such as the economy, science, technology, innovation and sustainable development. The expansion of the BRICS parliamentary dimension gives the bloc greater democratic legitimacy and reinforces its role in building a fairer, more balanced and multipolar international order. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla led an Indian parliamentary delegation to the 11th BRICS Parliamentary Forum that was held in Brasilia, Brazil from 3rd to 5th of June 2025. The delegation comprised Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha Harivansh, Surendra Singh Nagar, Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, Vijay Baghel, Member of Parliament Lok Sabha, Vivek Thakur, Member of Parliament Lok Sabha, Dr. Shabri Bai Reddy, Member of Parliament Lok Sabha, Utpal Kumar Singh, Secretary General Lok Sabha, PC Modi, Secretary General Rajya Sabha. The overall theme of the 11th BRICS Parliamentary Forum was the role of BRICS parliaments in building more inclusive and sustainable global governance. Presiding officers and members of parliament from BRICS countries, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, United Arab Emirates, Ethiopia, Indonesia and Iran, and invited nations like Belarus, Bolivia, Kazakhstan, Cuba, Nigeria, Malaysia, Thailand, Uganda, Uzbekistan, along with the President of Inter-Parliamentary Union, also participated in the forum meetings. Lok Sabha Speaker addressed the plenary sessions of the forum on several sub-themes like towards stronger and more durable BRICS inter-parliamentary cooperation, BRICS parliaments united for the reform of the multilateral peace and security architecture, inter-parliamentary cooperation for responsible and inclusive artificial intelligence, and BRICS parliamentary action in search of new paths for economic development. Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha Harivansh also participated in the plenary sessions on sub-themes like BRICS Inter-Parliamentary Alliance for Global Health, BRICS Inter-Parliamentary Dialogue on Climate and Sustainability. The accompanying members of Parliament also participated in various working sessions of the meeting of BRICS women parliamentarians and meeting of the chairs of Committee on International Affairs of BRICS Parliaments. On 2nd June 2025, Puneet Kundal, Ambassador of India to Portugal, hosted a reception in honour of Speaker of Lok Sabha. The dinner was also attended by Duarte Pacheco, former President of the IPU, members of Parliament and officials from the Portuguese government and leaders of Indian community, Indian students and researchers in Portugal and friends of India.
आप सबको पता है कि दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र, जीवंत लोकतंत्र, जिसकी यात्रा के 75 वर्ष में भारत में बड़े स्तर पर सामाजिक आर्थिक परिवर्तन हुए। इस एक दशक के अंदर भारत के प्रधानमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था के अंदर जो 2014 में हमारी अर्थव्यवस्था 10वें स्थान पर थी, आज चौथी सबसे बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था बन चुकी है। भारत में अर्थव्यवस्था के साथ साथ लोगों के सामाजिक जीवन में परिवर्तन, लोगों को आर्थिक सशक्तिकरण, महिलाओं को विशेष रूप से आत्मनिर्भर बनाने की दिशा के अंदर भारत ने बड़े व्यापक स्तर पर काम किया है।
In the evolving geopolitical and economic landscape of the 21st century, the BRICS grouping comprising Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa has emerged as a significant coalition of emerging economies. As these nations collaborate on a wide range of global issues from economic development to international security, their efforts have extended beyond executive level engagement. A key institutional mechanism facilitating dialogue and cooperation among the legislative bodies of these countries is the BRICS Parliamentary Forum. The BRICS Parliamentary Forum acts as a platform for parliamentary diplomacy, promoting mutual understanding, legislative alignment, and people-to-people contact among BRICS nations.
आज ब्रिक्स समूह वैश्विक आर्थिक परिदृश्य में एक प्रभावशाली शक्ति के रूप में उभरा है। ये विश्व की लगभग 45% जनसंख्या का प्रतिनिधित्व करता है और इसका परचेजिंग पावर पैरिटी के आधार पर वैश्विक जीडीपी में 40% से अधिक योगदान है। साथियों, वैश्विक चुनौतियों के बीच में ब्रिक्स देशों ने आर्थिक विकास के क्षेत्र में प्रेरणादायक प्रगति की है। भारत का मानना है कि इस विकास को और सशक्त बनाने के लिए हमें आपसी व्यापार, निवेश और वित्तीय सहयोग को मजबूत बनाना होगा।
The concept of BRICS cooperation began in the early 2000s, with the formal and annual summits starting in 2009. The first official BRICS Parliamentary Forum was held in Moscow in 2015, marking a formalization of inter-parliamentary engagement. Let's take a look at the objectives of the BRICS Parliamentary Forum. Enhancing parliamentary diplomacy to create a regular platform for dialogue among legislators of BRICS nations and strengthen bilateral and multilateral ties. Supporting executive-level initiatives to provide legislative backing for decisions made at BRICS summits and ministerial meetings, ensuring coherence in policy implementation. Sharing legislative best practices to exchange ideas, experiences, and legislative practices to address shared challenges such as inequality, poverty, and climate change. Promoting inclusive development to foster inclusive, sustainable development aligned with the interests of emerging and developing countries. Enhancing people-to-people contacts through dialogue, cultural exchanges, and cooperation on social issues. The forum aims to bring BRICS societies closer together. The BRICS Parliamentary Forum is a vital component of the broader BRICS framework, embodying the principles of democratic participation, mutual respect, and cooperative sovereignty. By bringing together lawmakers from some of the world's most populous and diverse nations, the forum enhances both legitimacy and effectiveness in global governance. Though still maturing, its potential to influence international legislation, support development agendas, and uphold multilateralism is considerable. As BRICS evolves, its parliamentary dimension must continue to grow, deepening not only political cooperation but also fostering a sense of community among its people. The BRICS Parliamentary Forum has evolved from an idea into a structured platform for legislative diplomacy. It complements the BRICS executive agenda by ensuring democratic oversight, policy coherence, and public accountability. As the geopolitical and economic influence of BRICS grows, so does the role of its Parliamentary Forum. By fostering dialogue, sharing legislative practices, and promoting global governance reform, the Parliamentary Forum strengthens not only BRICS cooperation but also the broader cause of equitable and inclusive international order. Well, viewers, that's all we had for you in this edition. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Sunset TV. Goodbye for now from my side.
To watch more programs of Sunset TV, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share them.